A few years ago, I decided that I was finally ready to start decluttering because I was so sick of my foolishness. And the impact that it had on every part of my life blew my mind. That decision led to other things, and with that, I am finally ready to share with you what I have been working on for a bit in the background that I know will level up your life the way it's changed mine. Hey, my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Christy, and I make content centered around realizing that no matter where you are in life, no matter your age, you are just on time to live the life of your dreams. First off, 60,000 of you? Like, what? This time 3 years ago when I started my channel, I had 5 subscribers, and 3 of those were my 2 accounts and my husband. So I have to start off by saying thank you. We are moving, we are grooving, we are shaking, we are doing the things, and I could not be more excited for that. Thank you to each of you who have been part of this journey. If you've been here since my first additional 2 who were not me and my husband, or you just joined today, thank you. I'm so glad that you're here. A lot of you joined through my series of decluttering videos where I have shared with you just the journey of going through this process real time and the things that I have learned about how clutter is not just about the stuff. It's about the mindsets, the emotions, and the thoughts that are connected and that actually lead to the clutter. One of the biggest lessons that decluttering has taught me is that to make room for the life that you want, you have to let go of things. And the thing that I am decluttering today is fear. And so the part that you have been waiting on, what is this thing that you've been doing in the background? Your girl has made this thing official. We have a business, a website, and a product that I know you're gonna love. And I promise you, we are gonna get into all of that in a bit, but I am making such a big deal out of it because 5 years ago, 4 years ago, even while I had overcome a lot of things, I never saw this as being a possibility. And I know that so many of you are in this space because I've talked to you of what's next? What's for my life? How do I get to the next step that I want to get to? And I'm sharing it with you like this because launching a business has been one, super exciting, but also a very scary move. And a lot of the times, the things that we want to do requires us making those leaps of faith. It requires us making those scary moves. So many of you have told me how much I inspire you and how I give you the encouragement and motivation to believe in yourself and to do bigger things, but you have no clue how much you inspire me and encourage me and challenge me to keep going as well. The journey of becoming whoever it is that you want to become is not stagnant, which means that we all have to keep leveling up. I have to keep leveling up too. I have to keep pushing past fears to do the thing that I know God has called me to do. Probably about 10, 15 years ago, I remember God really putting it in my heart and praying to him and saying even to my now husband that I wanted to be in a space of being able to help women. I have always been this person who wanted to like gather women together. Even when I was a little girl, I wanted to be a little girl that gathered all the little girls together, but I was super shy. I did not like talking in front of people. I did not like having the spotlight on me. And so there was a challenge that we had to overcome. Many times to get to the next step that you want in your life and the thing that God has for you, he has to push you out of your comfort zone and you have to let him. And it's not always these big dramatic things. I think a lot of times we think it's going to be these big dramatic things, but many times it's these small leaps of faith that build our confidence to do a little bit more, and then that build our confidence to do it a little bit more. And then we look back and we say, wow, I cannot believe that I did that. Since that initial thought and desire of wanting to be someone that connected and encouraged women, there have been a lot of things that have pushed me out of my comfort zone and have challenged me so that I can get to a place where I'm ready to do that. One of those things has actually been starting this YouTube channel and getting to a space where I could be vulnerable, sharing my mess and the things that I was learning. And the feedback has been amazing. A lot of you have said, this is such good information. I've never thought about it this way. I can't wait for your book to come out. I need all of this information written down somewhere. And then there have been other questions about, how do I get started? What do I do about this situation? Or I love everything that you're saying, but I don't know how to digest it all. It's let me know that there is a need and a desire for more. And it's selfish of me to like get so caught up in my head and not do the things that it takes in order to offer it. And so out of that, I've taken all of your questions about decluttering, things that I have not even gotten a chance to share on the channel, and I put them into a 30-day decluttering program that feels like talking to me and getting encouragement from me on a daily basis while immediately being able to put a major dent into decluttering your whole life. It is live on my website. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm saying that. It is live on my website right now. You can check it out linked in the description below. I'll also have a QR code toward the end of this video, but of course, I gotta tell you about it. It's called the 30-Day Guided Decluttering Program, and I have designed it for people who have really enjoyed the deeper aspects of decluttering and who are ready to stop talking about it, stop overthinking about it, and just do it. If you have felt really overwhelmed with the process, you feel like you're too busy, you are needing a fresh start, or you know you just need to do it, but you're wondering, why am I holding on to the clutter in the first place, or is it even clutter? This is for you. This is honestly what I wish I had when I started decluttering. And I have had decluttering challenges on my channel, which are still there. You can actually go, you can get them, do all of the things with them. I've done that, but I knew that to get to the next level, it required me to actually sit down and spend kind of a lot of time thinking through what are the things that it takes to get you from point A to point Z. I knew that it took me putting in some serious time after work and in between videos to create something that you can do and learn how to maintain while also getting to the root of clutter. When you get the program, you will see how it is intentionally and cohesively built together to where each week builds upon one another, and what you learned in the first week is going to help you to be able to tackle what you're learning in the third week. While this is happening, you're getting a lot done in your space while also learning about yourself in a short amount of time. Nobody has time to be dedicating whole like spans of time, hours to this. No, everything that we are doing, there are daily activities for 30 days, and everything that we're doing lasts between 10 and 30 minutes. That includes decluttering your space, reading, reflecting, all of it. The daily tasks build on one another and take the things that you have learned from the previous days so that by the end of it, you have dealt with clutter in every single area of your life, in your home, your digital spaces, your mindset, your finances, your habits, literally all of it. I honestly cannot wait for you to see it and start working through it because it is so conversational, so easy to follow along with, and it answers the questions that so many of you have been asking me that I've been wanting to answer, but I haven't been able to do it. I haven't had the capacity to be able to do it. And here's the other kicker. The program has gone live today because it is spring. And I know that so many of us, including me, are really thinking about spring cleaning and have decluttering top of mind. So the program is live today. You can go, you can get it. And on April 7th, anybody who wants to join, you can be part of our 30-day spring cleaning whole life declutter challenge. The challenge starts on Monday, April 7th, and it ends on Tuesday, May 6th. At the end of the challenge, I am raffling off two $50 gift cards. So if you join between now and May 6th, no matter where you are in the world, you are eligible to be part of that raffle. I will make the announcement of who the winners are on May 7th. If you can tell, oh my goodness, I am so excited about this, and I'm so thankful for this community that we've built and that we're building. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you know how much I love you and how much I appreciate you. Your support, your questions, your comments, your engagement, it means everything to me. And I am so excited to see how we continue to grow. Click the link below or the QR code to get your very own copy of our 30-day guided decluttering program and be part of the challenge. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next. Mwah! Bye for now.